how to add or change your email address on Roblox PC. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is go to Roblox and log into your account. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top on the settings option, click on settings. After you click on settings right here, now all what you have to do is simple. Just go here to email address and click on here. Now you can add an email from here and you can verify it and everything is gonna be done. For example, I'm gonna add my email. Okay, let's add my email right here. This is my email, like this. Click add email. Now let's go to the Gmail to confirm it, and yeah, wait a few seconds and we will be able to confirm our email. Then everything is gonna be done as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.